But we do start with Enzo Fernández. The deadline of 5 o'clock this evening for Manchester City to have made an offer for the midfielder has now passed. Chelsea have made it clear they want £120 million for Fernández by 5 p.m. As things stand, our understanding is that no bid has been made.
The proposed Enzo Fernández deal has been scratched, bringing an abrupt twist to negotiations that had appeared to be heading toward a conclusion. Talks had generated significant attention, with expectations growing that an agreement could eventually be reached. Behind the scenes, however, several issues continued to complicate the situation. What initially looked like a deal moving in the right direction gradually became more difficult, and the latest development has now put the entire proposal on hold. Fernández had emerged as one of the central figures in the discussions, making the breakdown particularly significant. His reputation, quality and importance to his club meant that any potential move was always likely to involve complicated negotiations, substantial financial considerations and careful planning from all parties involved. The decision to scratch the deal does not necessarily mean the story is finished. Football negotiations can change rapidly, especially when clubs remain interested in finding common ground. A proposal that collapses today can return to the table tomorrow if circumstances change, whether through revised financial terms, a new offer or a change in the positions of the clubs involved. For now, though, the expected agreement will not go ahead. The development leaves supporters waiting for clarity and raises fresh questions about what comes next for Fernández and the clubs involved. The situation is a reminder of how unpredictable the transfer market can be. Even when negotiations appear advanced and optimism surrounds a potential agreement, a single unresolved issue can bring everything to a standstill. With the deal now scratched, attention will shift to whether negotiations are revived or whether the parties ultimately decide to walk away. For Fernández, the coming days could therefore prove decisive as the football world waits to see where the latest twist leads. Like and subscribe to the channel.